IntelliCard, from design to operation, your experts in identity security. Founded 2008 and is privately owned. Resides in Switzerland and Germany to serve customers worldwide. IntelliCard maps the customer's entire identity lifecycle with the following solutions. Do you surely meet all the requirements for information handling according to GDPR? Are you sure that all your company information is safe when using cloud-based email Office 365? CipherMail is the answer to your questions by providing secure email communication. The introduction of the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in May 2018 has further increased the importance of email encryption for companies. What are the relevant questions and requirements concerning secure email communication for any company? Confidentiality. Can you be certain that no one but the intended recipient can read the message? Integrity. Is the message altered? Authenticity. Who sent the message? Non-repudiation. Can the sender deny having sent the message? The answers to your questions are: encrypt the message, digitally sign the message, digitally sign the message with a known key, digitally sign the message with a qualified certificate. Companies are on the safe side as CipherMail supports all email encryption standards like MIME, PKI-based IETF Internet Standard, OpenPGP, PKI-based IETF Internet Standard, PDF encryption, Open Standard ISO 32001, SSL, TLS, IETF Internet Standard only protects the channel. Webmail Messenger. For Alice and Bob and their daily communication, CipherMail is secure, simple and user-friendly. And additionally, with its Webmail Messenger as a pull add-on to the gateway, it offers a secure two-factor authentication using SMS or secure token. With Webmail Messenger, Bob only needs a browser for the communication. Alice and Bob can also use CipherMail with Office 365 in the cloud, as it is easy to set up with Exchange, Outlook and Microsoft CA, and includes features like MIME-based auto certificate enrollment. What about archiving and e-discovery? For Alice and Bob, it is also easy to cover the regulations for archiving and storing encrypted emails for years. This requires that the archiving software must support reading encrypted emails and that the encryption keys are also backed up for years. CipherMail provides all the necessary features like decryption before archiving, e-discovery, encryption keys stored on a hardware security module, and so on. What are your requirements? Different versions of CipherMail are available depending on your needs. Community Edition, Professional Edition, Enterprise Edition. CipherMail offers many advantages for secure and easy email encryption, like all-round carefree packages for secure email communication, compatible with any email infrastructure, direct support by the manufacturer, quick introduction supported by wizards, user-friendly and proven safe with the suitable version for every requirement, Webmail Messenger for professional and enterprise version, and so on. Become a member of the CipherMail world for your own encryption gateway. For further information and contact, please visit www.id-security.com or www.ciphermail.com.